Do you pronounce it Latkes or Latkes? Let me know in the comments. In the meantime, let's make the best ones ever. In fact, I have some fantastic ideas on how to top these guys that'll make it perfect for that holiday season. So first we start off with the latkes, and I'm going to be using a food processor for this, but the secret to this is right here. It's this grating tool that comes with most food processors, and you want all the work to be done by this guy and not by your knuckles with a box grater. Here's how we do this. We've peeled our russet potatoes, and we're going to grate these out. Now grab a sweet onion or a white onion and cut it so that it fits through that chute as well. Press that right through. Now it's important that you remove a lot of the liquids that's in the potatoes and in the onions, and for that we're going to be using some paper towels. Place that shredded potato and onion on top and kind of just form it into a ball, and let's squeeze that out. Don't worry if that paper towel rips a little bit, we're just going to be discarding it at the end. Keep squeezing and into a bowl. All right, now we add the rest of the seasonings, flour, egg, salt. I like to use my hands to mix this so it's nice and evenly distributed. Perfect. Now everyone makes their latkes differently. I like them nice and thin and crispy. So go ahead and grab a little bit of the latke mixture. We're gonna flatten it out and start frying away. Keep an eye on the heat, make sure it's not too high or too low. And once the edges start browning, flip it over. Our latkes are ready, and now for the star of the show, which is MOWI Smoked Salmon. Once you open the MOWI Smoked Salmon, you'll see why I love it so much. Beautiful marbling, perfectly thinly sliced, and the flavor is magnificent. Let's talk about some creative ways to top these latkes. I like to use creme fraiche, little smoked salmon, and some salmon roe on top. Finish it off with some chives. You can also top it with pomegranate seeds and chives, thinly sliced cucumbers and dill. Let's add some red onions on this. Even everything bagel seasoning goes perfectly. And however you like to top these, just remember that MOWI smoked salmon is going to be the base for all of the flavors for this holiday season.